everyone, this is a creative workshop by Derridam. Today we will be opening our first box with a wonderful autumn dye wreath kit. If you still haven't ordered this creative flower box, you can find the link below. All greenery and flowers are of high European quality to make your wreath look more natural. So, we are opening our gold ring and pay attention to the hole above here. This will be the place where to hang the wreath. I am not unpacking the label yet, just to clearly see where the upper middle side is. Take the rope from the one of the greens and tie to the middle part of your wreath. It can be the lower middle part, the right side or the left side, so you can decide how the final wreath will look like. Also, if you don't like the upper hole to be on your wreath, you can place the golden ring upside down and hide the hole with the greenery and flowers. So, you can hang the wreath directly by the golden ring, not by the hole. It's better to place or dry all greenery and flowers before sticking it with the hot glue, so you can see if there would be pieces you don't want to use, or you can see how your approximate final result will look like. Prepare your working surface and be ready that the glue can stick on it. The working surface should be easy to clean after hot glue. The process mostly goes from the greenery, then main flowers, then flower placeholders, and to the smallest details in the end. So let's start. I use hot glue to stick all elements together. Start with the greenery and stick every piece layer by layer. Be careful with your fingers while using hot glue and wait at least 20 seconds for the glue to get tacky. If you put the greenery closer to the middle part of your wreath, you will need fewer flowers to fill the middle part, so you can make a minimalistic wreath. During the process, I often place parts before sticking them with a hot glue. During the process, do not forget to take your wreath vertically and look at it from different sides. Better is to try it on the wall or door so you can be sure you're on the right way. So we are adding the last details and our wreath is almost done. Do not forget to take the glue net off your wreath. You can have leftovers after all, and this is totally okay. And finally, take the label off and hang your wreath in its rightful place. Thank you for watching this video tutorial and enjoy your wreath making time. If you like it, then please subscribe so as not to miss any future creative boxes.